Guys, today I'm back with another haul. I've been shopping. Ignore my bed. I'm sorry, I didn't make it this morning. It's a little messy back there. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with Forever 21. I get 3 things that are not shirts or jewelry, so it goes. These things I've been wanting to try for so long, but because they're like $1, I wasn't sure. But okay, so first, let's start this. So I got I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. It's the Love and Beauty Lip Balm. Looks like this. And this is in bubblegum, and I love the smell. And it's got a gorgeous color. I don't know if it's going to show up. But it's like this bubblegum pink. See, like this color here that's showing up. Yeah, that's like what it is. I mean, it's pretty good quality. It smells good. It smells like bubblegum smells. I've been wearing it for a while now, so. Oh, well, not like a couple minutes. So it was like $1.80, I think. Yeah. And then these two were $1.80 each. So I got these little facial masks, and I thought they were worth trusting because these are the same ones you can get at like, I just noticed that it's shaped like a face, like, there's the nose and then there's the mouth. Sorry, I get distracted very easily, and then there's like the head. So I got the Skin Softening Yogurt Mask Kiwi, and the Skin Recovery Nourishing Mask Cocoa. I don't know how to say it. But yeah. So, cause like you can get these at like CVS, I saw those and I meant to try them, but I didn't. Okay, so now the rest of the stuff that I got at Forever 21, which I'm so excited. I just didn't look at my fashion show from my mom, and she was like, "Oh my god, that's so cute." Okay, I'm gonna probably stand up at any moment. If I can get out of the chair. So this first top is not really a top, it's kind of like a longer top that's like a dress almost. I just took it out of the bag, but this was $17.80. Case and raisins, it's like this huge, and you see it on this side. Yeah, see, it always comes in raisins. So I was thinking, like this, with like, because it's not really brown, it's kind of like a grayish. So this is like some brown, like leggings, like, you know, like once you guys see me, they're really cute, because like the shorts, it's so cool. They have like braided straps, so I'm very flowing, and it's huge color in it. And that is good stuff. And the next thing in the last shirt that I got from Congress, and I didn't want to take it off. So the back is just pretty cute. And this one was $15.80. And then it looks like this. And it's literally this lace over it. So you could pretty much put it inside out, maybe with some glass back, but so it's got that pattern. And I don't know why I love that stuff, but yeah. So I love this stuff. And then we went to Macy's, and I'm very proud of myself because this shirt was $1. It was $10. It was $1? $10. And it's like, it kind of has that organic feel, like organic fabric, I don't know. And then it's got this little like hole in the back, which is great for summer. Just a breeze on it, it's like kind of floaty. Wings, yeah, so wings on it. And so it kind of stays on, and it just kind of floats. So I like the ball shirt with top. That is all I got today. We also went to Cinnabon. Oh yeah. So where is it? What page? Okay, let's show this. Really quick, okay. So I'm looking at 17 magazine. And do you guys see the detail on the wall? see it's like a triangular stuff. So you like tape it this, and I'm thinking of doing like a pink, or I was thinking more like pure pink. Oh, I know. Yeah. So I was thinking, because I'm thinking about taking my computer because I don't know anymore. So you have this wall, like the wall on my door, sorry, my alarm's on, and then you have this wall, which doesn't really have anything on it at the moment, and then you have this one with a window on it, and then you have my little little bit of that, and then this wall, and it's kind of boring. It's like not really a wall, it's kind of like a half pointy one. So you got this little section here, the top, and then this little small corner thing over here. So I'm thinking about doing that to my wall, like over the summer, so I can like let it air out and stuff, but I'm thinking of, so pure pink, let's get that or something, so like, see that would work, maybe original. See, I'm gonna put that mask on my face now, and then I'm gonna try it out, and I will if I like it, it works. Because if I don't, I'll tell you, don't buy, don't. But yeah. Back to this later. Bye. Where is